Hi, my name is Ryan Ostro with Barco, and I'm here at the Exertis Almo E4 event to talk about ClickShare. Most of you are familiar with the button. We have a wide variety of products for both wireless presentation and wireless conferencing. We have a product for every situation, conference room, size, space. Have your users come in, easily connect without wires on the table, connect to your peripherals, connect to your display, press the button and go. We also have the ability to share directly with the app, which you can install on your computers for all your corporation. We can do a mass install with an MSI file. This works on PC and Mac, and we can also share with mobile devices. Our latest generation product, the CX50 Gen 2, will also do USB switching with Collab OS bars, such as Logitech Rally, and we will be releasing very soon software to do switching with an external computer. So no matter what system you have employed, if you're running a Teams room or Zoom room and using a installed sound system and separate camera, you'll still be able to do BYOD within that space itself. Visit barco.com for more information.